In this video, I'm going to show you how to synchronize your Google for Work calendar with iCalendar on your Mac. Now, in previous versions, we've seen that this has actually been quite sketchy. Sometimes the calendar appointments will come down, but they won't necessarily go back up properly. I'm not entirely sure how well this works and whether that system has been changed inside of Yosemite. Certainly in Mavericks, the previous version of OSX, it wasn't actually all that bulletproof. So I do say try this, use it with that warning that the implementation between Apple and Google isn't actually all that great. So this is how you set it up. You'll see on the left you've got on my Mac, and then you've got other calendars, and that little button up the top there will show and hide that bar. You can click plus here to create a quick event, and then obviously you can use the filters to move around into next month and back a month and so forth. So I'm going to go to calendars and accounts, and this is going to show me the accounts that I have available inside of my Mac. You can see that they make this very easy for you, and you click Google, and when you do so, you type in your email address and your password. Now that might be your @gmail.com. It may also be, when you can spell it right, it may also be your Google for Work email address as well. When you're done, it'll come back through and be approved, and it'll look like this. And quite simply, you can turn on the different features through here, and that will enable mail. That will enable contacts sync, and I definitely recommend you do the contacts sync. One of the very cool things is when you hit Command and space, you can start to search for other people that are already in your contact list, that will already be on your phone and so forth. So for example, I can look for a person like that, and you can see here I've got not only a number of contacts, but Vincent van Gogh has come up there from Wikipedia too. And once it's authenticated, you choose what you want to sync. I wouldn't recommend mail. Messages doesn't count. Notes doesn't count really. So in my case, I'm going to say contacts and calendar, and then click done. The system will then sit there and go off and synchronize with the web. So we'll come back in a sec and see how that looks. And that's unfortunate, an unknown error occurred. All right, so let's just tick that one again and see what happens. All right, so it doesn't appear to want to work. That's how you would do it. If you were to tick it in there, you would then find that you'll have your Google calendars appear over here. And there is one other thing that you might want to look at to see if Google is set up to properly sync, and that is this web page. So make sure you're logged in with your Google account and go to google.com/calendar/sync select, and then just say, look, I want to synchronize obviously your own calendar and any other shared calendars that you have on Google. These might be delegated. There might be shared boxes of whatever sort. So do that, click save, and then you may be able to make that happen. But as you can see, sometimes it just doesn't work. Personally, I don't agree. I don't think you should use this. You know, things can go wrong with it. It doesn't work very well, and you're actually better off using the calendar directly on your phone, or using the calendar open in a separate tab inside of Google Chrome. That way, if you have those two tabs open, you've got your mail and your calendar, and maybe even Drive, always open there as tabs available for you. So there it is. Good luck, and please tell me in the comments and let me know how you go.